So first I want to tell you about Leonardo.ai. It's probably one of the best AIs I have used, and you get a really good opportunity to use free parts of this. All right, so first let's go here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one that I've already made, and I'm going to show you the actual prompt that I used. So here it is. Prompt: design a modern eye-catching logo for the brand Make Money With It. The logo should convey creativity, opportunity, and the ability to monetize anything. Incorporate a clean, professional font with an icon or graphic that symbolizes financial growth, innovation, and versatility, such as a $sign, a light bulb, or interconnected arrows. Use a vibrant and approachable color palette that suggests success, trust, and energy, like shades of green, blue, or gold. Ensure the design is versatile enough for both digital and print use, maintaining clarity at various sizes. Now, they give you 126 credits. This to generate is 24 credits, but they give you that every single day. Now, here's what it came up with. Make money with it, really good. Make money with it, but they messed up on monetize anything. Then this one says make money with it, creativity to monetize anything. I don't know, messed it up. So this one has two its. What we could do is we could take these and we could go to Canva and pull out some of these right here. But what I did is I went to another one, and this one is even better, but not the best. That's coming up. This one. Labs.google and the image tools. Same prompt. Notice that? Now what it's doing is pulling out some of the highlights. And this is what it produced. Money with, I don't know, make money with it. Okay, that's not bad. Now we're making logos, so it's not too bad, right? So we've got this one right here, make money with it. That's another one. I don't know how that indicates with it, but whatever. Now, the one I ended up using that is fascinating to me is I went to this app right here. Here it is. It's going to be Galaxy. Let's pull it up real quick. Galaxy.ai. This is one of the best apps I have used so far. It's crushing ChatGPT and DALL-E. But let's take a look at it. AI image generator. Going to go here, and I'm going to show you what I ended up using. It's already generated it. I've already downloaded them, so it doesn't show them now. But this is the one I use, Ideogram version 2. I did a 16 by 9, and then I put in how many images I wanted to generate, and let me tell you, it was fantastic. I'm so happy with this tool, I don't really know what to do with myself. It's like great, but if you notice, I had to use several tools. Sometimes I do that simply because I want to use a variety of different looks. That's one of the benefits of being able to use different AIs, especially if they're free. Now let's jump over to the images that I've already created. So here they are. You notice how the other one had this look. Then we went to, again, this is free. This is free. This I pay for. But look at that. Make money with it. That's not bad. That's really good, actually. I use this one, though. I use both of these. Make money with it. That's not bad. For another image, I was looking for something that said Cash Cow, and I was using a title Cash Cow Business, and it came up with this good stuff. And then on some other ones, I came up with these images. Look how realistic these images look. Now, I had to use a very specific prompt to get these kind of images, but they aren't bad at all. Look at that. This is one, this is one. These look like real people. I don't know about that guy right here, but anyway. So I did all of these. Cash flow, that's one there. There's another image down here. These aren't too bad. Now, the wonderful thing about being able to use Galaxy is, number one, it's a paid version, but I get to switch up the kind of images I want to make. Look at this. If I want to use Ideogram, if I want to use Flux, if I want to use Flux 1.1, Flux Pro, Dolly, don't really care for that. Midjourney, Recraft, that's not too bad. Luma Photon. So I get a chance to use any one of these and it tells me how many credits I have used. The one that I use the most credits for, this is going to be crazy. You're going to see this here in a second. Now I can tell you this one right here absolutely crushed. It did such a great job, but oh my gosh, did it use up a lot of my credits. Here it is. I generated images from a headshot. Now it has me in all kinds of different looks, and this is a lot of fun, right? It has me with this look, which is fun. That look, that look, that look. Now a couple of these I thought, well, that doesn't quite look like me. And then the rest, well, yeah, they kind of do. That one doesn't kind of look like me, but yeah, this one kind of does. This one makes my head look a little warped, but it's okay. Hey, there's Turtleneck Randy. I kind of like it. So I got all of these. Hey, that's another look. Not my hair, not my head. Some glasses. That looks pretty cool. This one kind of has me looking like Al Roker. But not bad. Here's, Dr. Randy, which I'm not. I have a master's degree, but not a doctorate. So that's another one. I kind of dig that one. That's not too bad. Here's Church Randy. Okay, that's cool. So the point is that you get a lot of images from using one source. And that was the cool part, right? So it used this one as a source. And I actually had this one upscaled. I think I used Canva for that. So that's another thing that we can do with this particular AI. You may find yourself using several, just like I did here and here. But these right here, I've noticed, give you the best and most realistic look, especially this paid version. Now you can probably get away with something pretty good here. You see, this is Make Money With It. This is a nice logo, not too bad. I've seen some terrible logos from some other free tools, but this is not too bad. I can deal with that. And then when we go to something like the images, right? That's not too bad. I can use any of these in any setting. But the real beautiful one came right with this one. So, hey, I just wanted to make sure that you're able to look at a variety of different things and create for yourself. I'm going to put thumbs up, 100% thumbs up for Leonardo. I'm going to go thumbs up for Image FX, which is by Google. But 2 thumbs up for Galaxy.ai. What do you think?